Now let us learn how to find inverse of a matrix using the same row transformations of order 3 by 3. Take one example. A, given matrix A, it is 1 3 3, 1 4 3, 1 3 4. See, this is a 3 by 3 matrix. Let us find its inverse using the same transformations. Now, the first thing is check its determinant. What is the determinant A? See, it is 1 into 4 into 4 16 minus 3 into 3 9. So 1 into 16 minus 9 minus 3 into 1 into 4 4 minus 3 into 1 3 4 minus 3 plus 3 into 1 into 3 minus 4 into 1 4 3 minus 4. So it is 1 into 7 3 into 1 plus 3 into minus 1. So 7 minus 3 minus 3. So it is 7 minus 6, it is 1, which is not equal to 0. Therefore, A inverse exists. A inverse exists. First thing is over. For a given matrix A, we have checked that whether it is invertible or not. So A inverse exists. Now, let us write our usual step. What is to write while performing row transformations? A into A inverse is equal to I. So what is our I? It is 1 3 3, 1 4 3, 1 3 4. A inverse. So for this 3 by 3 matrix, the corresponding I is of order same 3 by 3. It is 1 0 0, 0 1 0, 0 0 1. Now what are the steps? Convert this element into 1, it is already 1. This 2 into zeros. Next, convert this middle 4 A22 position element into 1. Convert these 2 elements into zeros. Then the last thing is convert this 4 A33 into 1 and these 2 elements into 0. Now, what are the row transformations? As usual, see, this is already 1 here. We have to convert these 2 elements into 0. हा 1 0 करण्याकरता आपल्याला त्यातून 1 मायनस केला पाहिजे, तो या 1 मधनं मिळेल. हा 1 0 करण्याकरता आपल्याला 1 मायनस केला पाहिजे, तो आपल्याला ह्याच 1 मधनं मिळेल. म्हणजे आपण जर सेकंड रो मधनं फर्स्ट रो मायनस केला, ॲट द सेम टाइम थर्ड रो मधनं फर्स्ट रो मायनस केला, तर आपल्याला काय मिळते बघूया आपण. नाउ सी हियर, सबट्रॅक्ट फर्स्ट रो फ्रॉम सेकंड रो. So it is R2 2 R2 minus R1, and we can perform one more operation at the same time. R3 2 R3 minus R1. Let us check what happens. The matrix A converts into, there is no change in the first row. बघा आपण R2 आणि R3 बदलतोय, त्यामुळे फर्स्ट रो बदलत नाहीये. Write it as it is. So it is 1 3 3. What is the transformation? R2 मधनं R1 मायनस करायचा आहे. 1 minus 1 0, 4 minus 3 1, 3 minus 3 0. What is the next transformation? R3 मधनं R1 मायनस करायचा आहे. R3 minus R1, subtract R1 from R3. So 1 minus 1 0, 3 minus 3 0, 4 minus 3 1. A inverse as it is. What is our step? Perform the same transformations on this matrix. So first row as it is 1 0 0. Subtract second row. Subtract first row from second row. So 0 minus 1, it is minus 1. 1 minus 0, it is 1. 0 minus 0, it is 0. Subtract first row from third row. R3 minus R1. 0 minus 1, it is minus 1. 0 minus 0, it is 0. 1 minus 0, it is 1. See, we performed two transformations on both the matrices. Now, what we have done here? See, 1 0 0, we have got here 1 0 0. Then this element 1, this element 0. Now we have to convert this 3 into 0. हा 3 0 कारण आपल्याला 3 मायनस केला पाहिजे, तो या 1 पासून आपल्याला मिळेल. मग आपल्याला फर्स्ट रो मधनं सेकंड रो मायनस केला पाहिजे, मल्टिप्लाइंग बाय इट बाय 3. सो आपण जर सेकंड रोला 3 ने मल्टिप्लाय केलं तर काय होतं बघा. Zero into 3, it is 0. 1 into 3, it is 3. 0 by 3, it is 0. Same here. 3 into minus 1, minus 3. 3 into 1, it is 3. 3 into 0, it is 0. So what is our transformation? By R1 minus 3 R2. R1 changes to R1 minus 3 R2. So the equation converts into, see what we do here, multiply second row by 3, 3 into 0, 0, 3 into 1, 3, 3 into 0, 0, and subtract these multiples from the corresponding elements of first row. So 1 minus 0, it is 1. 3 minus 3, it is 0. 3 minus 0, it is 3. Second row, the original as it is 0 1 0. Third row, 0 0 1 as it is. Perform same transformation here. 1, see, R1 minus 3 R2. This is 3 R2. 1 minus minus 3, आपल्याला फर्स्ट रो मधनं आता नवीन सेकंड रो मायनस करायचा आहे. 1 minus minus 3, it means 1 plus 3, it is 4. 0 minus 3, it is minus 3. 0 minus 0, it is 0. Second row original as it is minus 1 1 0. Third row as it is minus 1 0 1. Now, see, आता फक्त एकच बाब आपली राहिलेली आहे. Only one thing is remaining. 1 0 0, 0 1 0, 0 1 is here. What remains now? Convert the 3, the single element 3, the only element 3 into 0. हा 3 0 करण्यात आपल्याला 3 मायनस करायला पाहिजे, तो ह्या 1 ला गुणून मिळेल 3 ने, म्हणजे आपल्याला काय मिळेल बघा, बाय. Now the operation is on first row. So R1 converts to R1 minus 3 R3. See, multiply third row by 3 and subtract the multiples from the first row. So 3 into 0 it is 0, 3 into 0 it is 0, 3 into 1 it is 3. Same here. We have to perform same transformation on this matrix. 3 into minus 1 it is minus 3. 3 into 0 it is 0, 3 into 1 it is 3. Now, the new matrix is second row as it is, third row as it is, A inverse, same here, second row as it is, third row as it is. The only change in the first row, subtract these 3 multiples from these 3 elements. So 1 minus 0, it is 1. 0 minus 0, it is 0. 3 minus 3, it is 0. 4 minus minus 3, आपल्याला हे जे एलिमेंट्स आहेत हे R1 मधनं मायनस करायचे आहेत. 4 minus minus 3, it means 4 plus 3, it is 7. Minus 3 minus 0, it is minus 3. 0 minus 3, it is minus 3. See, while performing these transformations, we have to take one care. We have to unchange the previous zeros and 1 once we obtained. आपण पूर्वी केलेले जे बदल आहेत, पूर्वी जे आपण 0 1 0 मिळवले आहेत ते बदलायचे नाहीत. याची काळजी घ्यायची आपण. आता बघा, सी 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1, we have got this matrix is I, so we convert the matrix A into I, so it is I into A inverse is equal to the matrix on right side 7 minus 3 minus 3 minus 1 1 0 minus 1 0 1. So what is I into A inverse? It is A inverse. So finally I into A inverse is equal to A inverse. Therefore A inverse is equal to the same matrix 7 minus 3 minus 3 minus 1 1 0 minus 1 0 1. So this is the inverse of the matrix, original matrix A, by using elementary row transformations. So this is how we done here. We have find here inverse of a matrix using elementary row transformations. In the second part of this lecture today, let us convert the matrix A into its inverse. Let us find its inverse using elementary column transformations. Up to this time we have performed elementary row transformations. Let us perform elementary column transformations and get our inverse. Now take the same matrix A is equal to like this. We checked here that our A inverse exists. While performing column transformations, we write the equation as A inverse into A is equal to I. So A inverse into our given A 133 143 134 into our I is as usual 100 010 001. Now while performing column transformations, convert this element into 1, these 2 into zeros, convert this 4 into 1, then these 2 into zeros 1 and 3, finally convert this 4 into 1 and these 2 elements into 0. While performing column transformations, go row wise. See, now we have to convert these 2 3s into zeros. So how can we do it using column transformations? हा 3 0 करण्याकरता आणि हा 3 0 करण्याकरता आपल्याला कॉलमचा वापर करायचा आहे. मग आपल्याला सेकंड कॉलम मधला 3 0 करायचा आहे. हा त्याकरता इथं 1 आहे, ह्या 1 ला 3 ने मल्टिप्लाय करा आणि तो मायनस करा. सिमिलरली 3 ने मल्टिप्लाय करून यातून मायनस करा. Now what is the transformation? Column transformation. See, this is first column C1, C2, C3. Second column, third column. Now, what is the transformation? Now, by, see, we have to convert second column and third column. So by C2, 2, C2 minus 3C1 and C3, 2, C3 minus 3C1. Using these two column operations, transformation at the same time, let us check what happens. So, first column as it is, there is no change on the first column. So what is second column here? 3 4 3. If we multiply the first column by 3, we get 3 3 3 and subtract it from second column. Second column is 3 4 3. See, our original A is like this. A 1 3 3 1 4 3 1 3 4. See, first column 1 1 1 as it is. Multiply the first column by 3, 3 into 1 3, 3 into 1 3, 3 into 1 3, and subtract these multiples from second column and third column. So this is the second column. 3 minus 3, it is 0. 4 minus 3, it is 1. 3 minus 3, it is 0. Similarly, subtract the multiples 3, 3, 3 from the third column. 3 minus 3, it is 0. 3 minus 3, it is 0. 4 minus 3, it is 1. Into A inverse is equal to, here, the first is here A inverse. It is post multiplier. A inverse into this matrix is equal to, perform the same transformation on the right side matrix. What is there? 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Perform the same transformation on this matrix. So what happens here? First column as it is. What is going to change? Second and third columns. So multiply first column by 3. 3 into 1, 3. 3 into 0, 0. 3 into 0, 0. And subtract it from second column. 0 minus 3, it is minus 3. 1 minus 0, it is 1. 0 minus 0, it is 0. Same here. Subtract these multiples from third column. 0 minus 3, it is minus 3. 0 minus 0, it is 0. 1 minus 0, it is 1. See, A inverse into this matrix is equal to right side matrix. I perform these two column transformations on both sides. Now, what is remaining? Check here. What should be there? 1, 0, 0. 0, 1, 0. Now, we have to convert this 1 into 0 and 0, 0, 1. It means we have to convert these two ones into zeros. See, what is our method while performing column transformations? Make this 1, this 2, 0. Make this 1, this 2, 0. This one is remaining. Make this 1, this 2, 0. This one is remaining. So, convert these two ones into zeros using column transformation like this. So, A inverse is as it is. See, हा 1 0 करायला आपल्या सेकंड कॉलम मध्ये लगेच 1 आहे इथे बघा. परत हा 1 0 करायला आपल्या थर्ड कॉलम मध्ये इथे 1 आहे. सो व्हॉट आर द ट्रान्सफॉर्मेशन्स? बाय C1, C1 to C1 minus C2. What happens? See, second row as it is 0, 1, 0. Sorry, second column, third column 0, 0, 1 as it is. A inverse into. See, first column minus second column. 1 minus 0, it is 1. 1 minus 1, 0. 1 minus 0, it is 1. Same transformation here. Second column as it is. Third column as it is. Subtract first column. Subtract second column from first column. So 1 minus minus 3, it means 1 plus 3, it is 4. 0 minus 1, it is minus 1. 0 minus 0, it is 0. Now what remains? The only one is remaining here, and convert it into 0 by this is the column 1. So C1 converts C1 minus C3. हा 1 0 करण्याकरता C3 मध्ये 1 आहे. So C1 minus C3. So it becomes A inverse into the matrix obtained into the new matrix. See, what is the transformation? Subtract third column from first column. Subtract third column from first column. तिसरा column first column मधनं minus करायचा आहे. So 1 minus 0, it is 1. 0 minus 0, it is 0. 1 minus 1, it is 0. There is no change in the second and third column. So these two columns are 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Perform the same transformation on this matrix. There is no change in the second and third column. So write them as they were, as they are. See, second and third column आहे तसे लिहा. minus 3, 1, 0. minus 3, 0, 1. What is the transformation? हा जो third column आहे तो या फर्स्ट कॉलममधून मायनस करायचा आहे. 4 minus minus 3, it means 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3, it is 7. Minus 1 minus 0, it is minus 1. 0 minus 1, it is minus 1. आता तुमच्या लक्षामध्ये आलं असेल हा मॅट्रिक्स काय दिसतोय, तर हा मॅट्रिक्स आय आहे. मग ए इनवर्स इंटू आय, देअरफॉर ए इनवर्स इंटू आय इज इक्वल टू मॅट्रिक्स ऑन राइट साइड is equal to same matrix 7 minus 3 minus 3 minus 1 1 0 minus 1 0 1. A inverse into I, A inverse into I, it is A inverse. So A inverse into I, it is A inverse. So A inverse is equal to this matrix 7 minus 3 minus 3 minus 1 1 0 minus 1 0 1. बघा इथं आपण पहिल्या एक्झाम्पलमध्ये युझिंग रो ट्रान्सफॉर्मेशन जे इनवर्स मिळवला होता तोच इथं आपल्याला मिळालेला आहे. म्हणजे आपलं उत्तर हे अचूक आहे. वी हॅव फाइंड द करेक्ट इनवर्स ऑफ द मॅट्रिक्स ए. सो दिस इज द ए इनवर्स, बोथ आर सेम, युझिंग कॉलम ट्रान्सफॉर्मेशन्स. दिस इज हाऊ वी लर्न टुडे. आशुतोष, how we learn today how to find inverse of a 2 by 2 matrix, inverse of a 3 by 3 matrix using elementary row and column transformations. So this is how we learned the inverse of a matrix using elementary transformations. Thank you. In the next lecture we will learn inverse of a matrix by adjoint method. Thank you very much.